fuse. Like that one worked fine. That's a 110. I changed the motor on that one to 110 volt, but the other one's a 220. Eh? But when I fired it up just now, I blew a fuse. I'm not sure why.
A fuse up here or on your breaker?
In the breaker.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
You're not getting proper ground?
It is grounded properly, you know, but I'm not sure what it is. Yeah, so, you know, I don't know. I can try it one more time. I only powered up for about 5 seconds because it's so damn loud.
And it takes forever to wind down.
I know. Can you try it one time?
Sure, I'd love to catch that on the video. That's great.